Hey guys, welcome back to Commodore Cartel. My name is Marcus. Today we're here with my VE Commodore and we're going to be going through some of the parts and mod lists on my car. Let's get into it. Alright, so first things you guys may notice, in the front end here, we've got some eyelids, we've got the blacked out badges, and we've got the sports armor. Just cosmetic little things, nothing too high of a modification. Going on to suspension, we've got triple SL king springs in the front with double SL in the rear on Ultima shortened shocks. Which are both comfy and they look good. Nothing like coilovers where you're low and you're quite bouncy. These are really comfortable. Going on to the rims, we've got some Versus staggered rims, 255/20s in the front, 275/20s in the rear, with some Kumho tyres. They're a 35 tyre wall, 255 in the front, 275 in the rear. Coming down the back here, essential stuff like your weather shields, keeping your wind out of the way. We've got a roof spoiler just to add a bit more shape to the back of the car. Fake taxi sticker because you know that's essential. Coming to the rear, something that we don't have at the moment is nice exhaust tips. What I've got running at the moment is a X-Force exhaust from Cat Back, so all your mid pipe, going to a set of 2.5 inch straight pipes. Just something a little bit different. Lots of people hate on them on the V6s, but you know, if you want to be loud and obnoxious, you got to have the straight pipe. In the boot here, we've got something a bit nice, something a bit just for more comfort. We've got two 12 kickers, so 12 inch kickers. They're a nice sub. I'm pretty sure I'm running about 800 watt each sub. Two different amps running them ones. How it works is we've got the two channel amp and we've got the 4 channel amps are on the speakers. Just say that mine's tuned. Is that a Commodore? Alright, so underneath the hood we've got
so dirty.
Nothing really special. It's dirty as heck. Well, we got the OTR intake, so just a little bit different from your normal cold air. You got a straight induction right underneath the bonnet. What else has been done to this car? We've got a performance tune ran on the dyno. I think we made about 139 kilowatt to the wheel. Not sure. Sam, correct me on that.
135 at the flywheel.
Sam knows it's his car.
Look how far up his seat's pointed.
Alright, so coming into the interior here, as you can see, like I said, it's a manual. When I turn on my ignition, something that's really good for this car, and I really recommend getting, is the AeroPro fascia with a nice head unit. This one here, I've got the Sony head unit. This is the AX5000, so it is the 3rd best model out of the Sonys, and it does come with Apple CarPlay, so yeah.
Do you want to hear my subs?
Do you want to hear my subs? Alright guys, just a short video today, but if you did enjoy it, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell, share with your friends. See you guys later.